Let's begin with frequency tables. This table shows how many students prefer each type of fruit. Each tally mark represents one vote. The frequency is the number of times that category appears. For example, since there are 15 tallies, the frequency is 15 and that means 15 students' favorite fruit is apple. Now, let's take a look at this question to deepen our understanding of the frequency table. The following frequency table shows the various CCAs students in a school take. So the CCAs are tennis, art, drama, and computer club, and their frequencies are listed as 15, 9, 10, and 3. So let's attempt to express the total number of students who are in computer club as a percentage of the total number of students in the 4 CCAs combined. We will go through this question together. Firstly, we will calculate the total number of students by adding all the frequencies, which is 15 plus 9 plus 10 plus 3 to give us 37. And then the number of students in computer club is 3. So to find the percentage of students in the computer club, we do the number of students in computer club over the total number of students multiplied by 100%. So we'll do 3 over 37 times 100% to get the final answer 8.1%.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.